So guys, this is what we are going to be expecting for the day, right, on our Euro JPY. So first thing, before we go ahead to predict what market is actually going to be doing for giving us this week, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments. Make sure you follow the Telegram channel also, because once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, like, share, make a comment. Now, let's start with the trend. This is our trend on EURJPY. Remember, guys, this is an uptrend move. EURJPY is in an uptrend move. You can see that we are very much bullish on our EURJPY. EURJPY is very much to the upside. Now, let's zoom it in also. Market was able to give us an high here, and then what followed next was an higher low. Market then was able to give us another higher high. You can see it's playing out on the weekly time frame. What followed next was an higher low. Market then was able to push up again to give us a new higher high. Right. This eventually was an higher low. Market then was able to give us a new higher high. This is the higher low right here. So market is currently pushing up to give us a new higher high. So this is one of the reasons why I said for swing traders, this is actually for you, because we will be expecting, right? We will be expecting our EURJPY to actually push up, continue that movement to the upside. So this is one of the reasons why if you are not setting the buy, now is actually the best time for you to hop in for the buy, because we will be anticipating for more movement to the upside on our EURJPY. Now, pay attention to this movement right here, guys. If you have to drop down, if you take a look at it from a weekly time frame, for the past 4 weeks now, market has been giving us a bullish move. So you can see week 1 of market opening and closing bullish. This is the week 2 of market opening and closing bullish. Here comes the week 3 of market opening and closing bullish. This is the week 4 of market opening and closing bullish. Now for this week 5, we should be expecting markets also open and close bullish. So week 5, we should be expecting market to give open and close bullish right for the week. Now, that is what we'll be expecting, right? Now let's go down to our daily time frame. This is market drop, give us a multiple rejection at the zone, right? It gave us multiple rejection at the zone before market was able to push up. Then a pullback was made. Market then did push up again. Expect your pullback to play out again. So guys, a pullback should play out. So we should expect that pullback to come to a level of 185.037. So we should expect market to give us a pullback to a level of 185.037. Once it can post back to that level, then look to go in for the buy again. Look to take your buy that will eventually push up and continue the movement upward. Now, the thing is that could there be changes to this prediction? Absolutely, yes. This is one of the reasons why your bias should very much be flexible, right? Always make sure your bias is very flexible. So just in case a market decides to change its movement, it will be easier for us also change with it. So if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. This week will be a bullish move for us. Now let's draw down to our week forward time frame to understand this perfectly also. Market is currently dropping. Let's see it eventually push up and clear this high right here, completely giving us a new high. So once again, a bullish move for the week is what we should be expecting on our EURJPY. So going for the buy if you are not yet in the buy. If you are already in the buy, to be best, you're still holding on your buy position. More movement to the upside. Now, remember, guys, if you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position for the next 3 to 5 days, you are definitely going to be coming out with good amount of pips. So buying and hold will be the perfect way to actually grabbing a lot of pips on this movement.